Hello, third grade. Our lesson today will be about division with regrouping. Division with regrouping. You will find this lesson on your textbook, page 136. Okay, I will start with this exercise so we can find what is the answer. What is the answer? Okay. So, and what are the steps that we need to follow? What are the steps that we need to follow? We have 42 divided by 3. 42 divided by 3. I write number 3 over here, and I write 40 and the 2, okay? I will start with the near number, which is number 4. How many 3 inside this 4? I have only 1 3. So I write the 1 over here as an answer, and then I multiply it down. Okay, so go down and multiply it. 1 times 3 equal 3. This will comes under the same number. Now, look here carefully. This is the point of with regrouping, okay? So I still have, when I subtract, in the previous class, when you subtract, you have 0 over here. But now, when I subtract, I will have some left over. I have here 1, okay? So I have here 1, because 4 take away 3 equal 1. So keep the 1 here. And now we want to send the 2 to check the 2, because 1 is not enough to ask ourselves how many 3 inside this one, right? If you have a bigger number here, your answer is wrong, okay? So put down number 2, you put down number 2, write number 2 down here so you can check it now. But now we don't check 2 by itself. We need to check 12, excellent. So I have here what? I have here 12. I ask myself about the whole 12. How many 3 inside this 12? How many 3 inside this 12? I have 4, so the answer is 4. Now you have to multiply it with 3. 4 times 3 equal 12. So write 12 over here under the answer. And again, subtract. 1 take away 1 equals 0, and 2 take away 2 equals 0, okay? So 12 take away 12 equals 0. So the answer is going to be 14. And no remainder. What is the remainder? It's going to be 0. No remainder over here, okay? Let's do another exercise. Let's do another exercise, which is here. I have here question number 2, so we can follow these steps. I have 43 divided by 3 equal. Okay, I will use the long division again. I have here 3, and I have 40, and I have 3, okay? I will start with the first number near to the 3, which is number 4. How many 3 inside this 4? I have only 1. I write 1 again, then I multiply. 1 times 3 equal 3. Put it down. 4 take away 3 equal 1. Okay, I now need to check the next number, which is 3. I'm done with the 4. Put the 3 down. Write 3 over here. How many? 3 inside the 13. Can I find 13 in the times table for 3 or less? Yes. When I multiply 4 times 3, I have a 12, okay? So I write 12 in the top, 4 for 12. When you multiply 4 times 3, you have a 12. You have to choose the number itself or less, which is 12. I choose 12 because I don't have 13 in the times table of. Then now I subtract. 13 take away 12, the answer is 1, right? So the answer is 1. So this is the remainder. We call this the remainder, okay? So my answer is going to be 14, and the remainder what? It's 1. So the remainder is 1. So this is the answer for this exercise. Let's do more exercises. This is, what do we call it? Regrouping. Regrouping because you have some numbers extra from the previous exercise. Okay, so we have here, try this. I'm doing the exercise. It's page 136, I think. Yes, it's 37. Okay, I will do A and I will do B. The first one, which is 37 divided by 4. 37 divided by 4, and I have here 96 divided by 4, I think, equal. Yes, no, divided by 6. Okay, so I will do the first one as a long division again. As a long division, I write here 37. Oh, sorry, 73. I missed. Okay, so it's 73. 73. Sorry, I write it correct, wrong. So I write it, I correct it now. 73 here. Okay. I will ask myself about the first number. The first number, which is 7. How many 4 inside this 7? I have only 1. Okay, so I write the first answer, which is 1. Then I multiply it with 4. 1 times 4 equal 4. And how many left? Subtract. How many left? You have 3. Okay, you have 3 left. 3 left. Then we want to put down number 3. To check number 3. Okay, over here. Can you remember that what was the number? What was the number that we multiply it with 4? With 4 that we have 33 or less. Okay, let's check the numbers. 4 times 5, if I choose 5, it's going to be, like if I have 5 times 5, it's going to be 20. How about 6? If I multiply it with 6, I have 24, so it was 24. Is it? Yani it's less, but still, I'm still far away. Okay, let's multiply it with 7. It was 28. Okay, if I find the difference, it's going to be more than 4, so I have to choose a bigger number, which is time 8. Okay, and I have time 9. Okay, so times 8 is 32. And I have times 9, it was 36. If I want to choose, I have to choose the same number or less. I have to find less than 33, which is, can I have 36? No, I can't. So I can't choose this number. I have to choose times 8. So the answer is going to be 8. I choose number 8 because it has to be less. Okay, 32. The answer is going to be 32 or less, 33 or less. Now I multiply. I will add, because when I subtract, I have to have a remainder. I'm not allowed to subtract 33 from 36, okay? So 8 times 4 equal 32. Then I subtract 33, take away 32, it's 1. So I have here 1 remainder, okay? So the answer is 18. And the remainder what? The remainder is 1. So the remainder is 1. Okay, the next exercise, I have 96 divided by 6. Again, long division. This is, this is 6. And this is 96, the biggest number over there. Check the first number next to me. How many 9? How many 6 inside this 9? How many 6 inside this 9? I have only 1. Multiply it. 1 times 6 equals 6. I have 3. Okay, now I put down the 6. I put down the 6. 36. Can I find 36 on times table of 6? Yes. 6 times 6, it's 36. I have to choose the same number or less. I can find it. It's the same number. When I multiply 6 times 6 equal 36, I write here 36 and the remainder is 0. I have no remainder. 36 take away 36 equals 0. So the answer is 16 and the remainder is 0. Okay? Okay, so these are the exercises for try this. I will do on your own. Again, it's on page 137. 137. I will do the first one. The first question. A and B. It's 137, okay? The first one is 54 divided by 5. 54 divided by 5. If I'm wrong, just correct me, okay? 75 divided by 6. Okay, the first one. I write it. Where do I have to write the 5 here? Yes. What do I have to write here? It's the 54. Excellent. Let's check the first one. Let's check the first one. This is very important. Focus with me, 3rd grade. 5. How many 5 inside this 5? I have only 1 5. So write the answer in the top. 1. Okay? Multiply it. 1 times 5 equal 5. Subtract. 0. Okay, go down 4. We want to check you. Go down 4. I have 4 over here. I need to check how many 5 inside this 4. Oops, I have 0 5s, right? So write 0, write 0. 0 times 5 equals 0. Subtract, put it down. Excellent. So what is the remainder? It's 4. So the answer is, if I divide this number, the answer is 10, and the remainder is 4. Excellent. So this is the remainder. The next exercise, again, long division. I have 6, and here I write 75. Let's check the first number. How many 6 inside the 7? I have only 1. 1 times 6 equal 6. Subtract. 7 take away 6 equal 1. And then I want to put down the 5 so I can check. Write 5 over here. How many 6 inside this 15? Remember the times table for 6. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. Excellent. 6 times 3, 18. Okay, stop. Can I choose 18? Do I have 15 inside this times table? I have 6 times 1, 6 times. Look, if you want to continue, no need, because it's bigger than that 15. Okay. Now, can I choose 3, 6? I have 3 6 inside 15. No, I'm not allowed because 18 is bigger than the 15. I have to choose 15 or less. The less is 12, so it's on 2. So I choose number 2. 2 times 6 equal 12. So 15 take away 12 equal 3, which is, we call it the remainder. So the answer is 12. The answer is 12, and the remainder is 3. The remainder is 3. Okay. So these are the answers for exercise number 1 from your own. Okay. Page number 137. I will do number 2 and number 3, so you can do your homework. You can do your homework directly. No need to go to the textbook. Just write these down on your textbook, please. Okay, write these down on your textbook, please. Okay, the first one, there are 78 pupils in a class. The pupils are divided equally. Okay, so find the words. We have divided equally. What's the meaning of divided equally? Yani share them equally into groups. So you have to use the division sign. Okay, the division sign. 6 groups. How many there are into? So they want to divide them equally into groups of 6 or 60 groups. Share them equally in 6 groups. Okay. So we need to use the long division for sure. I have 6 and 78. Come on, guys. Yeah. The first step. Check the first numbers next to me. How many 6 inside this 7? I have 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. Subtract. 7. Take away 6 equal 1. And I have to put down the 8 so I can check it. Put down the 8. I have 18. Now I have 18. Check the 18. 18. How many 6 inside 18? Can I find the 18 on the times table of 6 or less? Yes, I can find it exactly. Remember when I multiplied with 3. So now I have to multiply. 3 times 6 equal 18. Then you subtract it. 18 take away 18 equals 0. So no remainder. So the answer was 13 full number without any remainder. The remainder is 0. And I have to do, now this is question number 2. I will do number 3 for you now, okay? Which is the last number on your own. A tower agent placed 80 travel brooches, equally 9 holders, okay? And had some brooches left. How many brooches left where there are on each holder? Okay, we have 18. We have 80 traveler brooch, and they divide them equally on 9. They divide them equally on 9. Okay, we want to see how many. Okay, guys, we know that we have 90. So I can find 80. on the times table of 9, right? I have times 80, so I have right here 80 and 9. Can I check 8? No, I can check. So I have to use the 80. And I know that 80, it's on the times table of 9, right? If I multiply 9 times 7, let me check the 7 first. Let me check the 7 first. It was 63, right? Okay, I'm still far away from the 80. Let me check. 9 times 8, it was what? It was 72. Excellent. I am still far away, but 9 times 9 equal 81. I can't exceed 80. I have to choose only 80. So the best number was 8. So I choose 8. Okay, I choose 8. Write 8 on the top. It's the answer. 8. Now you multiply it down. 8 times 9 equals 72. Subtract it, equals 72. If you want to subtract it, you have over here 80, take away 2, 72 equal 8. So you have 8 leftovers, okay, 8 leftovers. Okay, so I have the answer as 8, and we have 8 remainder. So the answer is the remainder is 8. The leftovers are 8. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching and have a good day.